Greetings. This is Kevin Amrine with the Florida Insurance School of Continuing Education, the FISCE. I am back to record this video promo for our weekly newsletter for the week of January the 27th, the final week of CE webinars with our school in January, the final week in January. And we still have some hours available. If you've got a January deadline you need to meet. If you're trying to just maybe stay ahead of the game a little bit. If you just want to hang out, you just want to take a couple webinars, hang out. That's fine too. We'd love to have you. Let me tell you what's going on this week on Tuesday, January the 28th. 6 hours. 6 hours. I will be on camera teaching webinars for 6 hours. Now, that's not all one course. 2 separate courses. From 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time, a 5-hour law and ethics update course for property and casualty licensees. Now, there's a lot of folks in Florida that need that course. I would love for you to join me for that. That same day, that afternoon, from 2 to 3 p.m., an hour with Kevin, an hour with me, a course called Drones, Insuring Innovators, Enthusiasts, and Idiots. Now, that might sound like a joke title. It's not. Very, very accurate title of what we're going to talk about in that course. A lot of good stuff there to cover in that hour. And then we wrap it up on Wednesday, the 29th, from 1 to 4 p.m. Eastern, a course called Alphabet Soup, The Mistakes and Coverage Behind D&O, EPLI, FLI, and EBL. A lot of mainly professional liability coverages there. If you don't recognize all those acronyms, you might want to take that course. A lot of really important stuff there. And it's taught by legendary Florida insurance instructor, legendary Floridian, legendary Amrine, legendary father, Chris Amrine. You will not be let down by his presentation. Folks, I really hope that you'll join us this week. Enjoy the rest of your newsletter. Cheers, everybody.